going on, YouTube? It's your guy, Entrepreneur P.JIZZLE, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to clean your mat. So right now, I've been using this mat for a while, and it's really not sticky. You know, the vinyl is not adhering to the mat. It'll move, it'll shift, and that's not something that you would want it to do, because the needle will go down on the vinyl and end up moving your vinyl instead of cutting through your vinyl. So let me show you guys. This is how you know it's not sticky, because this clear sheet that protects it, so it'll stay sticky, it just comes right up. It's not sticking or anything. So that's how I know I need to clean it off. So I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to clean it. The first way, this is what I use. LA's Totally Awesome. You can buy this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna put a light mist on it. And I'm gonna take this little gift card I have, and I'm just gonna scrape up scrape it clean. That's one way to clean it. And once I'm done scraping it clean, I would just rinse it off with cold water and let it dry off. And then it'll become sticky again. The second way I will clean this mat off is baby wipes. So I would just wipe any dirt off, any debris. I'm gonna wipe the whole thing off. And this is what stops your mat from being adhesive. So then I will let it dry, and once it's dry, it'll be sticky again, and I'll put my sheet back on there. So that way it's going to save me money, so I won't have to keep buying mats. I can use it a lot longer than if I just use it till it stops sticking and then have to buy another one. Like, subscribe, you know, share. If you know anybody who need the class, you know, send them my way and tell them to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if I don't answer it in the comments, I'll make a video to answer the question. Class dismissed.